Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. So friends, today we are going to do analysis of US index. And before we go ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get future notifications on all videos I'm going to post here. So friends, if you see here, uh, in the last week, almost 4 days back, okay, I mentioned that I'm expecting a pullback, okay, in the uh, in the Nasdaq as well as Dow Jones. So let's see what we were thinking last time and what happened after we did our analysis. So see here, we mentioned that uh, Nasdaq should come towards this level. Okay, we were discussing about Nasdaq should come towards, see, Nasdaq should come towards 16,450, right? Where it did a breakout and then take a U-turn. So if you see, okay, in the analysis, okay, same thing happened. See, Nasdaq gave a, we did our analysis, right, on, let's say, 29th of December, right? And then uh, see here, it gave a downfall, right, till 16,344, exactly the level, which we discussed, right? And same happened for the Dow Jones. But let's discuss what, next week should show, right? So now index has come to the level from where it gave the breakout, right, from this level. But now it's very important to understand how was the weekly closing. Okay, so if we see the weekly closing, okay, I'm not happy with this weekly closing. Reason is it is showing us a clear cut gravestone doji, right? Gravestone doji means, this is the gravestone doji. This says that all bulls, okay, are, you know uh, trapped by the bears, right? Because bulls went up till this point, right? But at the end of the week, okay, bears, you know uh, went aggressive, and then they pushed market down, right? So now this gravestone doji is a indicator, right? Kind of negative indicator which says that market might go more down from here, right? So we will see what is the level, okay, what are the levels, which are the possible if market goes down from here. So those levels are here. Okay, we will convert it into the hourly chart. Okay, and we see here, now the index has, a strong support near 16,300. Okay, if index continuously starts trading below 16,300, then we might see 16,200, 16,100, and 16,000. So these are the next level for the downside. If index starts trading below 16,300, okay, on the hourly time frame, continuously 2 to 3 hours, if it trades below 16,300, then the targets are 16,200, 16,100, and 16,000. Okay, these are the three targets for the index on the downside. Now the for index to go up from here, right? It's very simple. Like, if if index on Monday it opens, right, and it starts trading, upside, then there are the targets. Let me show you on the daytime, on the hourly chart, right? Now index is at its support, right, 16,300. If it sustain above 16,300, then first immediate target is 16,400, 16,470, and then if it stays above that, then 16,600. These are the levels, but weekly closing was not good, so I will have, pair of eye to see how much, downside it can give from here. The next index is Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, same thing, now very important thing for the Dow Jones. Okay, uh, if you see here, this is kind of bearish engulfing pattern here. Okay, as well as it is a inverted hammer, right? Very important candlestick pattern. Okay, after a big upside. Okay, if you see the bearish engulfing pattern, or if you this is the bearish engulfing pattern is a 2 days pattern, or a inverted hammer, right? You can consider these both patterns, right? The high probability that market can, show some downfall from here. And as I mentioned in the last video, the market give a breakout from, on this candle, right? So support is lying here, right? So high probability that, index can come back toward 35,900. Okay, and if it sustains below 35,900, then it can go back to 35,700, 35,385. Okay, and 34,800. These are the levels. So it's very important that index should sustain above 35,900. Okay, and if it's sustain above 35,900, like, it comes here and then take a U-turn from here, then definitely it will go back toward 36,200 and 36,400. Now, to index to go up really, okay, uh, I mean, if you're a conservative trader, then definitely you should do, investing above 36,400, as I mentioned in the last video. Once it starts trading above 36,400, then high probability that index can give more upside. The same with S&P 500. On the S&P 500, I clearly mentioned that currently this level, this area is acting as a resistance, as it gave a breakout from here. High probability that it can come back to the point from where it gave a breakout, and then it can, start its journey on the upper side. So we will watch for these levels. 4,720 is to 4,740 is the support area for the S&P 500. The next is gold. Okay, gold, I clearly mentioned that for the gold, the next area of resistance is 1830, 1840, right? And it gave a, rally in last 2 days. Okay, so we will watch for this level. If it breaks 1840, then, there can be one buying opportunity for the level of, 1860 and 1880, right? In now, the negative scenario, once it starts trading above below 1810, right, and sustains below that, then gold can come towards 1780 and 1760. Next commodity we have is silver. For the silver, I clearly mentioned, if you have seen, uh, last week video, last to last week video, right? I clearly mentioned that there is a very good opportunity in the silver around $22 levels, and see how it went up from $22, right? Almost it, this support area which we drawn last time, from this support area, it has given a good upside here, right? And now if we see here on the day chart, it achieved its first target of $23, which I mentioned last time, and it almost achieved its second target of 23.50, and now it is going towards $24. So whoever is having the position in the silver, they should definitely book some profit at 23.50 and then $24. Next commodity we have crude oil. For the crude oil, I mentioned that, the high probability that I mentioned that there is a keep the stop loss of $76, and uh, look for the sell position. It crossed above, say, let me show you here. Okay, on the day time frame, actually it it hit the stop loss, right, and went up there, but still I feel that crude oil will give downside, because the reason is, on the hourly chart it gave a breakdown. Okay, on this wedge pattern, it came towards its first support around $75, right, and I think if it stays below $75, then definitely it is going to show us 74 and $73. So please watch this level of $75. If it stays below $75, then definitely it is going to show 74 and 73. The next is natural gas. Before natural gas, I just want to see how the crude oil is showing on the weekly chart. Okay, so weekly chart. See, this is the weekly resistance. It is having around 75.5, right? On the day time frame, it's okay. All right. Now for the natural gas, as mentioned, natural gas has this horizontal support near 3.6, right? It is taking uh bounce back, once it comes to that level. See, it came here, it gave a bounce back till this point. Again it came down, it gave a bounce back. Again it came down, and now it is giving bounce back. Okay, so now here, we need to watch very carefully. Once it starts trading below 3.6, right, it should come towards 3.4. Okay, and which is the very good opportunity to add natural gas here, right? It is good opportunity to buy now also, but now I will advise a less quantity. Okay, but more near this level. Okay, and what should be the target? Same, the first target would be $4, 4.20, and 4.50. Right, so this is all about today's analysis. I hope this video will help you to take your investment and trading decisions. And uh, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to channel, and share with your friends and family members, so we all can learn and earn together. Thank you, friends.